British Landing. Welcome to British Landing, guys. So this is like pretty much halfway the island where people can come and swim. This is halfway the island of the lake. People can come and swim. Wow. This is beautiful, beautiful, and from here we can also see the Mackinac Bridge. This bridge is one of the longest extension bridge in the United States, and it stretches across from Mackinac City to St. Ignace. Look at that, guys, as far as you can look. That's the water, and it's shallow. So you can stay here, you can see over the mainland. So over on that side is the St. Ignace. Let me zoom it up for you to see. This is beautiful. Guys, look at how clear the water is. This water is so clear. You can see all the stones that are at the bottom of it, guys. Look at that. So clear. Guys, this is a cannon. So this is a cannon. Wow, guys, look at that. So this is a golf course. Hello. Beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. This is a golf course in the inland Mackinac Island. Guys, look at that. Wow. Birds flying in it. Wow. Hey guys, look at that, guys. $50 fine for litter in the state park. No camping. No camping here. Okay, so let's go. We're gonna have to go down some step. So that's the step, guys. It goes all the way down. I don't know what is Sugarloaf. Well, I guess this is just the name of the trail, or it's something, or something has that name. I have no idea, guys. So comment down below and let me know if you know what is Sugarloaf, or it's just the name of the trail. I don't know. So this is a big rock here. We're gonna continue down. Whoa, guys, look at that. There's a hole in the rock, and that's a huge rock, man. All right, so now we're continuing. We're gonna see where this Sugarloaf takes us. We're gonna continue down the steps. Guys, this looks like a lot of steps. A lot of steps. Look at that, guys. I'm sweating. I am sweating. I'm sweating going down the step, guys. So yeah, come with me. Going down the steps. Okay. No, this tree is in my way. I'm gonna have to duck underneath. Okay. Alright. Yeah, guys, so we're at the end of the step. It was quick. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's a big rock. That's the biggest rock I've ever seen. Alright, so I saw a sign, so let's see what Sugarloaf is. Sugarloaf stand. Oh, so Sugarloaf is the name of the rock. Alright, so it says Sugarloaf stands 75 feet above the surrounding land, and it is the largest of Mackinac Island. Many limestone stock. It was originally connected to the high cliff directly behind or in front of you guys. There you go. Look at that, guys. Ooh, child. So this is a limestone, they said, and it's the largest rock on Mackinac Island. So let's go up there and see what's going on. Alright guys, so look at that. So we're on the top. We're on the top, guys. So it's a little hill. So we're gonna go around it. We're gonna go around this large rock. See what's going on around there. Wow, look at that, guys. Man, I can't even see the top of it. Look at that. Wow. Man, look at that, guys. Wow. So the sign down there, it says it's a limestone. It's the largest limestone of Mackinac Island. I can tell. Look how high it is. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Just wow. I don't have anything else to say. Just wow. Alright. We're gonna continue. Look at that. There are some little old holes in it. Trees growing out of it. Look at that, guys. Wow. There's holes in it. Oh. Yep. It. Okay. If you can see it, but it looks like a small plane. Okay, so look guys, it has a little hole in it like a cave. Yeah.